Friend subscriber, I am Engineer Bashar. Welcome my channel Atlas Automation BT. Dear friend, today I discuss Mitsubishi PLC programming servo motion control CPU Q173 CPUN. Firstly, I go to the online, read from motion Q CPU and serial or USB connection, USB connected, yes, and CPU module Q CPU, okay, and connection list, okay, connection test, successfully connected with the Q173 CPU, Q173 CPU and servo motion control, okay, friend, now I okay. Write program to servo motion controller. And taskbar setting, connecting interface USB PLC module type Q173, OS type SB22QA, version 300N, and program plus parameter plus program, select all, select none, select all program are selected, execution. Okay, reading cannot be performed because the part of basic setting data in the system setting is abnormal. System setting is abnormal, and reading is not performed because limit output data is abnormal, okay, and motion SFC program is not registered. Do you want to continue reading? Yes. Servo program reading from PLC. Reading is not performed because servo program is abnormal, okay. The mechanical system program is not registered. Do you want to continue read? Yes. Motion register, reading motion register, yes. Complete program reading. Now I close window. Firstly, system setting, basic setting is a basic setting, main base 2 slot, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 6, stage 7, and multi CPU setting, slot number 2, and system basic setting, and SSC net setting, SSC net 1. I use SSC net 1, okay, and system configuration. First is the power supply and main CPU. Second is one is the main CPU, and second is the Q173 CPU. Q173 CPU is the servo motion controller CPU, okay. SS net configuration. This program is main program, servo motion program, First is the SSNet line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and exit setting, exit nong 1, and amplifier inverter model, amplifier inverter model MRJ2SB, and amplifier capacity 10B setting, and motor setting. It is the motor setting, automatic setting motor, and resistor setting, resistance setting, no use resistance setting, and option setting is the amplifier inverter setting, ABS, and exit dynamic brake select setting, nothing. Okay, and friends, second DB2, DB1, SSNet line 1, DB1, DB2, DB3, DB4, DB6, DB5, DB6, DB7, DB8, exit nong 1, and amplifier inverter model number MRJ2SB, 10B, amplifier capacity 10B, same setting, automatic, motor setting automatic, resistance setting non-use, and option setting ABS option settings. Okay, and SSNet 4 DB1, same setting, exit setting, exit nong 1, amplifier inverter model MRJ2SB, amplifier capacity 10B, and motor setting same, automatic, resistance setting no use, and option setting ABS. And friend, now high speed reading data, servo drive, high speed reading data, PLC input module, cancel. PLC module list is not set. Okay, and automatic refresh setting, servo data setting, not set, and servo parameter, and parameter block, the important setting, parameter block, interpolation control unit, 3 pulse, block nong 1, block nong 2, block 3, block 4, block 5, block 6, block 7, speed limit value, acceleration time, deceleration time, fade stop, deceleration time, S curve ratio, torque limit value, and deceleration process on stop, allowable error range for circular interruption, bias speed start. This is the important setting, parameter block setting, and limit output data setting, and motion SFC program. Now servo program list, total step 14334, display filter setting, and K module allocation, nothing. Okay, servo program, mechanical setting program, common data and device memory. Device memory setting, D0 data register, D8, D16, D24, D32 data register setting. SSNet configuration. Start monitoring. Friend, now I write to motion. This program write to motion. Write to motion. Wait. Select all program. Execute. OK. OS type SB22QB QA. Version 300N. Type Q173 PLC module. Because they are in a error on the system setting data, CPU writing could not be executed. Okay. Complete emotions SFC parameter. SFC used unused setting. Okay. Servo program execute. Servo program write. Complete program. Dear friend, thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Friend, please subscribe my channel Atlas Automation BD and active the bell icon Thanks for watching my video.